Good morning guys. Andito po kami sa beach. Dito po kami sa dagat. Kaya lang ang dami pong basura, Diyos ko. Dami namin napulot. Yung mga tao pumunta dito, nag-iinuman pagkatapos iiwan yung basura. Yan, dami niyan pinulot ko. Andyan lang. Dito lang sa nilagyan namin ng ng umbrella. Ang dami. Yung nila, red horse, may laman pa. Yan oh. Meron pang laman yan. Hindi pa naubos. Tsaka iiwan na lang. Right.
Every time we come to the beach, it's always like this.
Dapat sana maging responsible sa mga basura nila ba para malinis yung karagatan.
Philippines. No littering, no littering. People be more responsible. There's many good people in this world, but it only takes a few to be like this. But the good people need to be strong enough to tell them, no littering.
Yeah.
This is nothing. We've only been picking up for about 4 minutes now. This beach is trashed. People come out here, party, they leave the trash here. This entranceway is the only entranceway to come to this beach. They put a gate there and they put a lock on it because people come on the property, somebody owns this, and they come through their property and throw their trash.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so sad.
Okay,
It's so sad.
let's finish it.
There's broken glass all over the beach.
See, ang ganda kaya rito. Ang ganda. Kaya lang yung mga tao pumupunta dito pag gabi. Nag-iinuman, tas basura nila iiwan lang. Hi, sige guys. Tatapusin muna namin ang ililipat namin doon sa para di po maabot ng dagat. Okay, stand up. Bye-bye.